Hindi Diwas. The history of Hindi belongs to the Indo-Aryan division of the Indo-European language family. Mughals and Persians added their own flavour to the Hindi language. After independence, the government of India set a goal to give an idealized look to the mother tongue of the country and set a target for grammar and orthography using the Devanagari script to bring about standardization in writing. After this, on 14 September 1949, the Constituent Assembly adopted Hindi as the official language of India. Hindi is the most spoken language in India. More than 70% people of the country speak and understand Hindi. The most interesting fact about Hindi is that Hindi is basically a Persian language word, and the first Hindi poem was written by the eminent poet Amir Khusro. The first literature on the history of Hindi language was composed by a French writer, Grasim the Taisi. In 1918, in Hindi Sahitya Sammelan, Mahatma Gandhi for the first time talked about making the Hindi language a national language. Gandhiji also called Hindi the language of the public. On 26 January 1950, Hindi was recognized as an official language in Article 343 of the Constitution. Every year, from 14 September to 21 September, Raj Bhasha Week or Hindi Week is celebrated on the occasion of Hindi Diwas. Different competitions are organized. In fact, several events are organized in the schools and offices. Its basic objective is to increase the spirit of the development of the Hindi language among people by not just limiting it to the Hindi Diwas only.